it's Goodlight here. This is going to be a quick video about how to use and review of the Lisle, I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it, 63600 oil filter tool. I'll just show you my cheat sheet. It is current price. There'll be a link in the description. This is it. This is what I've been using for years now to change the oil filters on all my cars that have the little ones, the small ones, like all your Mazdas, which I happen to have 3. The way this works, it won't go on. Sometimes it will if it's slick enough, but most of the time you got to pull a little bit and turn. That spreads it. Put it on. Then you can loosen it up. So I loosen it enough. See, now it's clamped on. So what do you do? Let me try to keep it in frame. I have it loose enough just before it starts leaking oil. I'm going to change the direction. Sometimes you can use something like this to turn it. This one it's not wanting to. And you got to hold the filter at the same time, if you can. Same time there. You got to hold it here and then turn it. That'll let you pull it off. So there's your trick. I won't bore you with the rest of it, but that's the tool. It works on these smaller filters. You saw the sizing. It's less than 12 bucks. It's lasted me for years. I've done dozens of oil changes with this thing, no problem. And I do recommend it. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, and be sure to leave a comment. Whatever it is, any chatter helps on the videos. So good luck with your purchasing decision. And hey, I got the camera out, why not? Here's a quick tip for you. Oil cap. I don't want to forget to put it on. So I put it right here next to where the hood prop, whatever, comes across and hits in. So if I decide that I'm gonna, okay, I'm done, go to put the rod, you can't see me moving my arm. Go to put the rod down, guess what? Right there's the cap. Help remind me, because yeah, don't want to forget that.